Hey YouTube, this is my bike check. It's United Recruit frame. Yeah, here you go. I got, starting from the top, work our way back. I got the stolen Vortex bar ends. I like them. They're like, I don't know, I've had them for about 2 months, but they haven't really worn down much. So, yeah. I got the Primo boy grips. I like them. They're pretty broken. They're not like soft, but like after a while, they just start feeling good, and they don't really get sweaty. I have some stock bars. I painted them. Tried to paint them chrome, but it was like a silver color, and I didn't really like it. But I'm about to get some new bars. I'm getting the Animal Big 4-piece bars. Yeah. On the stem, I got stock stem, United Recruit, and I got some Shadow Conspiracy hollow stem bolts for my front and the back. I got Shadow Conspiracy Corvus headset integrated. I got some just stock forks. I'm probably going to get new ones soon too. I think I'm getting demolition forks. I don't know yet. I got Colt Vans tires. I've had these for about 2 months. If you can see. If it'll focus. I'm already starting to get cracks in them. Can't really see it, but I'm starting to get cracks in them. So I highly don't recommend these tires. They're really good when you get them, but they just crack. I got stock front rim and hub. My front hub is great. I like it. It's a double wall rim, and it spins forever. I like that. I got some nylon pedals. I don't know what kind of pedals they are, but they're pretty grippy. I like them. Can't get them offline, I don't think. I got United cranks. They're okay. I mean, I'm planning on getting new ones. And I got just United Supreme bottom bracket. It's cheap, like 20 bucks. I got just a stock sprocket. I know I'm getting a new one. I got a stolen seat. It's brown, like all everything else. Like, you know, it's just different. Got a stock seat clamp. I mean, seat clamp don't really matter. I got a Shadow Conspiracy Corvus Raptor hub. I just got it maybe a week or 2 ago. I like it already. I mean, everybody says it's loud, but it's not really loud right now because it's got grease in it. But I just got some chain. I really don't know what it's called. But yeah, that's my bike check. I mean, I like it, but you know, it's whatever. Alright, thanks. Like and subscribe. Bye.